Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to draw polygons in AutoCAD software, Open software. I'll be using the AutoCAD 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here and we are on a new drawing area. So to say about the polygon command, it is available in the draw panel, but the icon is not available right here. You have to click on this arrow next to the rectangle. So in the drop down you can see the polygon command is here. So I'll click on escape now. Now let us draw some polygons. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option on. So if it is off, just come to the dynamic input option and turn it on. So if you keep it on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So that's why I keep it on. So now let us come to the polygon command and draw some polygons. So now it is asking for the enter number of sides. So I'll enter 5 as the number of sides. Now press the enter key. Now it is asking for specify center point for the polygon. You can type some x and y coordinate value, but I'll select one random point in the screen. I'll click somewhere over here. So now it is asking for which kind of polygon you want. So there are two options. The first one is inscribed. The second one is circumscribed. So first let us try the inscribed one. So I'll click on inscribed in circle. Now it is asking for the radius of the circle. So I'll enter 5 as the radius. So now we have a polygon with 5 sides and radius 5 unit. So now let us try one more polygon with the same measurement, but the next one, that is the circumscribed. So I'll come to the polygon and I enter the sides as 5. I press the enter key. Now it is asking for the specify center of polygon. So you can enter some x and y coordinate values, but I'll click on random point on the screen. Maybe I click it over here. So this time I'll select the circumscribed. I click on it. Now it is asking for the radius. I'll go with the 5, which I entered for the previous type of polygon as well. So I press the enter key. See, this one was the inscribed. This one is the circumscribed. We gave the same measurement for both of the polygon, but we chose different type, right? So what is the difference? So to make you understand what is the difference, I'll draw one circle for each of the polygon. So I'll start from the center point. This polygon was of 5 unit. So here for the radius as well, I'll enter 5 unit. And even for this polygon, I'll create a circle around that. And I'm going to enter the radius as 5. So what you can understand from this is that, see, in the inscribed polygon, this one here, the corner point of the polygon touches the imaginary circle around that. Got it? So whereas in the circumscribed polygon, the edges of the polygon touches the imaginary circle around that. But you have to note that you have to draw the circle of the same radius as that of the polygon. Got it? So this is the difference between inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. So this is how you draw polygons in AutoCAD. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.